Hi friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today the Bitcoin has again spiked up to $10,000. So let's have a look whether this was a clear indication for the breakout or it was a bull trap. And we will also watch the movement of the price action within the different patterns and also the different moving averages as well. Now let's start the video. First of all, I want to show you this daily live chart, and these are the different support and resistance levels on this chart, and we have the support of $8,800 where the price action from where it took a very powerful bullish divergence and broke out the next resistance level of $9,500 and retested the previous resistance as a support, and now it is moved up to the next resistance level of $10,000, and so far it is not able to break out this resistance level even after the several attempts. This is very strongest resistance level, since we can see that it is not able to cross up this resistance level since Feb 2020. Even before that, we have several attempts by the price action of Bitcoin since October 2019, but so far it is unsuccessful to break out this powerful resistance of $10,000. Now let's have a look that as today it has hit the spike up to this level, whether it was a powerful spike and had enough buying volume to break out this level. Then the answer is no, because if we see the buying volume, that is not sufficient to have the breakout from this level like we had here. This was a strong buying volume. Here we had a strong buying volume when we first broke out this level of $8,800, and we also had here a very powerful buying volume even on this level as well. But here we can see that we have a very small buying volume that is not sufficient for the breakout. Therefore, it is not possible for the price line to break out this level with this very small buying volume. However, if the buying volume will be increased for today, or maybe today or tomorrow, it can have a breakout, but so far the buying volume is not sufficient. Now let's move to the next chart, and this is the up channel formed on this daily chart by the price action of Bitcoin, and the price action is moving in this up channel since the mid of March 2020. And I've also placed the Bollinger Bands indicator and the EMAs with the time period of 10 and 21 and the moon phases indicator. If we watch the recent full moon that is appeared almost up to $10,300, therefore it will be not possible for the price line very easily to cross up this level of this most recent full moon. And if we watch this dark moon that is appeared below the support of this channel, therefore it will be possible for the price line to hit a spike up to this level that is almost at $8,800 to $8,400. That is the level of the dark moon. And if we watch the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands, then that is almost at $8,800 below the support. Therefore, this is another indication that it will be easy for the price line to move up to this level. However, if the Bollinger Bands will be starting moving up with the price action, then it will be easy for the price line to cross up this level and move up to this resistance level to have a breakout from the channel and from the 10,000 resistance as well. At this time, we have a big hurdle of Bollinger Bands at $10,000. Therefore, we need the Bollinger Bands to move up to remove this hurdle for the price line to reach up to the resistance of this channel. And if we want the EMA, the exponential moving averages with 10 and 21 time period, then they are moving well and providing a very good and strong support to the price action since after the mid of March, and since after when the price action broke out these two moving averages. And we can see that the price action is using these moving averages very well as a support, like it used it here. The price action used these two EMAs as a support here, and this level, and finally here it has used as a support. And even at this time, it is using these two EMAs as a support, very close to the support of this channel as well. Now, if we watch these two patterns on the daily chart, first the price action formed this wedge pattern. At that time, the price action, the different indicators showed a very strong indications to for the breakout, like the stochastic was in bull cross, and the main indication was the RSI that was completely in the uptrend, but at this time the RSI is completely in downtrend. Therefore it is difficult for the price line to cross up or break out the resistance of this pennant. However, if we watch this full moon that is above the resistance of this pennant, that is very positive signal. However, we also have the dark moon below the support of the pennant, so we have a neutral signals for the breakout or the breakdown. We don't have a clear signal whether price action will be moved down or move up. However, if we watch this harmonic move, then the price action on this daily chart formed the bullish bad pattern and took the powerful bullish divergence from the potential reversal zone, and now the price action is likely to form another harmonic garlic pattern. And after getting retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, it was projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci, and this is a projection of A to B leg. Now it is supposed to drop down up to this level from $9,300 up to $9,015. So this was the potential reversal zone for this bullish garlic pattern at $9,317, and we have seen that the price action went very close to this level, that was $9,356. However, unless the price action will not cross up this level, this Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, that is the C point, if it will be not able to cross up this level or break out this level, there will be still chances that the price action will go for the completion of this garlic leg between $9,317 up to $9,000. Now let's move to the bigger time period chart on the weekly chart, and sorry, this is the daily chart, and after that I'll take you to the weekly chart. The moving averages are still going very good. We have the smallest time period moving average above all the moving averages, then 50, then 200, then 100. However, the 50 simple moving average is moving up to form a death cross or bear cross with 25 simple moving average that can start another short-term bearish rally. However, if we watch on this weekly chart, the long-term chart, the moving averages are going very good, and we will have a very strong bullish move by the price action after this move of the moving averages. For example, at this time the 25 simple moving average is going to form a bull cross with the 50 simple moving average. Once the smallest time period moving average will be above all these moving averages, then we have 50, then 100, then 200. Then, as I have already told you in my previous videos as well, we will have a complete formation of an opened alligator mouth like we had here back before the 2017, and the price action turned bullish and produced more than 3,000% profit. Same as like that, this move is going to be happen very soon. We have the 200 simple moving average below all the simple moving averages like we had here, and then we have 100 simple moving average like we had here. Then we need that 50 simple moving average like we had here above the 100, and the 25 above all. Then it can lead to a very big parabolic bullish move. So on the short term, I'm again expecting a short-term bearish rally unless we will not have a big buying volume on the daily chart to cross up or break out from this resistance of $10,000. However, on the long term, the price action is turning more and more strong bullish. So this was the update so far. If I'll have more updates, I will definitely share with you. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.